Hi, my name is Kristen. I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making a 3D holiday tree. So the supplies you'll be needing are 3 pieces of green construction paper, red, orange, yellow, and blue tissue paper squares, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and a pencil. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your 3 green construction papers and fold them in half hot dog style. So now that you've folded your papers, you're going to go ahead and draw half a tree along the fold and then cut it out. Now that you cut out your tree, you're going to use that as a guide to cut out 5 more. So now that you cut out all your trees, you're going to glue 2 of them together. Now you're going to glue the rest together. Now that you've finished gluing your trees together, you're going to glue both ends together. To finish off your tree, you're going to crumple the pieces of tissue paper and glue them onto the tree. I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I'll see you next time.